This is the end result of Tyler new hair. Good, so cute. You like it? Who is that? That's Tyler. That's Tyler. Tu es beau comme ça. That's you. That's you. You're so cute. So night, faves. So see you guys tomorrow. Comment. Like. Subscribe. Catch up and keep up. Thumbs up. Bye.
Bye.
Good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. Happy Monday.
Mama,
Say happy Monday.
happy Monday.
Yeah. Say hi, faves.
Hey,
You guys, I just finished working out and got all fresh and make green juice. We drank green juice, and now what mama gonna do now? Make breakfast. Yeah, mama gonna make eggs for breakfast as usual, and I have work today and plantain. You want plantain? All right, mama gonna make eggs and plantain at your request, okay, with your chocolate mouth. And bacon. You want bacon too? All right, so mama gonna make eggs, plantain, and bacon for Tyler. All right, get out the kitchen so mama can go make bacon for you. So my baby requested eggs, plantain, and bacon, so that's what it's gonna be. Eggs, plantain, and bacon. How are you guys doing? Make sure you guys get your workout in. Workout this morning was a killer. I changed up my routine a little bit this morning, so it makes me more tired because I'm not used to it. But as soon as I get used to it, I know that I'll be kicking it. So workout is going good. Workout went well. Baby's off to work. I don't know if he vlogged, but if he vlogged, then you guys would have seen him this morning. Let me put this camera down right there so I can multitask a bit. So I have work today, but Tyler is not going to the daycare because baby's coming home to look at my long hair. Oh. Baby's coming home to take care of him in the afternoon, so I don't have to take him to the daycare today, but you have daycare tomorrow. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna get this breakfast going so I can eat and get my day well on its way. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Stay positive, stay blessed, stay humble, stay smiling. Go on and reach for those goals and be successful in whatever it is that you want to be, in whatever it is that you want to do. Don't be afraid to take risk. Take risk and try, and if you fail, just go at it again. Don't be afraid to take risk. All right, you guys, that's enough of my chit-chatting for this morning. Let's get on to breakfast. Okay, you guys, so at Tyler's request, that's breakfast. He's gonna have these. He's gonna have these bacons, not me. Half of the plantain, one of these eggs. So breakfast time. Ready to grab? Breakfast is ready. Ready for your bacon? All right, go sit. Mama coming. Go, 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 go. Look. Who is happy that they cannot be outside riding around without being in jacket?
Shoes.
You want shoes? Where's your shoes?
In the room.
It's in the room? Okay, I'm gonna go for it for you, okay? Okay?
Hi. 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 Hi.
Time for bath. Oh, give me car. Ga 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 ga. Ga. You have long hair, flash it. Go toot toot toot. Ah.
Did you?
Thank you. Oh. Come, stand. Take off the pants. Ah! I didn't spit on you. You're funny. Give me stomach. Give me stomach. You're drooling my eye. You want to say bye, guys?
Bye, guys.
I'm going to nap.
I'm going to nap. That's a baby pop.
Catch up and keep up.
Good guy.
Subscribe.
That's a baby pop.
Catch up and keep up. How does he remember that? You're so sweet.
That's a baby pop. I'm going to nap. Bye bye.
Catch up and keep up. I'm going to nap. Bye bye. That's what he said. Mama. You guys, I'm about to make dinner for the fam while Tyler is cooking that. Way when dinner is out of the way, I can go and have some lunch and rest a little bit before I have work. So for dinner today, I am basically making a quinoa stir fry because I made quinoa for dinner yesterday and I have some leftovers. So I have leftovers from both the quinoa and the chicken. So I'm just going to make a stir fry from all that right now. So what I did, I just used a chicken breast that I had left over. So this is one chicken breast. All right guys, so that's dinner. Dinner is ready in under 5 minutes and I'm good to go. Quinoa fried rice. If you want to see exactly how I do this video, you can head over to Mel's Kitchen. The link is down below in the description box, you guys.
Sunday.
Hey guys, look who is home.
Hi guys.
And I am ready and heading off to work, leaving these two. Why are you so excited? Why are you excited? What are you giving them? Biscuit?
Biscuit, c'est pas le biscuit.
You giving them biscuit? You're sharing as usual? C'est bon. Anyway, you guys, I am off to work right now, leaving these two little handsome ones. So I'll catch you guys later.
Hi guys. So baby's off to work. Just want to take some minutes. I just finished to run. It's been so long I didn't run. So yeah, every time I run, I stop. I run, I stop. So not good at all. So yeah, I finished to run. I feel okay. Just with the usual pain. I'm gonna say like, wait, Tyler. Like somebody will come back and just started to run. So yeah, Tyler is very quiet. Tyler just going so fast. Whenever babe going to walk, now he say au revoir, mommy's off to work and see you later. And yeah, so I'm here along with Tyler. Tyler's playing, Tyler's quiet. Wait, Tyler. Allez, va regarder la télé. Tyler's quiet, so yeah. Hope you have a wonderful day. I'm just feeling breeze. I'll take my breeze and yeah. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And I catch you guys in a minute. Tu as faim? Tu as faim? Tu es fatigué? Tyler watching Paw Patrol. About to feed Tyler with some smashed potatoes. Tu veux que c'est papa qui donne à manger ou c'est toi qui manges tout seul? Allez, mange tout seul.
He's at work to keep him quiet while I was cutting his hair.
Allez, donne à papa.
This is the end result of Tyler new hair. Good, so cute. You like it? Who is that? That's Tyler. That's Tyler. Tu es beau comme ça. That's you. That's you. You're so cute. So night night, faves. So see you guys tomorrow. Comment, like, subscribe, catch up and keep up, thumbs up, bye. Hey guys, reach home and it's like I'm still at work. I'm just at it non-stop. Just finished cutting babe, not babe here.
Well, the other babe.
That's true. I have two babe. I just finished cutting Tyler here and I think I did a pretty good job for my third time trying to cut his hair. So I'm proud of myself this time around. I feel confident about it this time around. Anyway, you guys, we're just gonna end the vlog here because I need to go and relax. The Jamaican expression for today is jack of all trade and master unknown. Jack of all trade and master of none. This is simple describing a person who does a little of everything. So for example, me, I cut Tyler here, but I'm not a barber. I cook. Yes, I'm a chef, but I cook. So example one would be I cook, but I'm not a chef. I swim, but I'm not a professional swimmer. You get the gist? I can sing, but I'm not a singer. So I do a little of everything. I cut the garden, but I'm not a gardener. I plant vegetables and food, but I'm not a farmer. So it's like a person who does a little of everything and does average at it, basically. So jack of all trade and master of none. What's the French expression for today?
That's good. You don't make me say it. Yeah, that's good.
Say it.
Oh no, I don't want
Say
to
it.
skip it.
No, say it.
Say it slowly.
Jack of all trade
Jack of all trade
and master of none.
and master of none.
What's the French expression for today?
I'm gonna say what I don't really know how to say it in French. Mainly we're gonna say like un homme à tout faire or une femme à tout faire. Most of the time we say it more for the man. It's like a man to do everything, a woman to do everything. Un homme à tout faire.
À tout faire.
Right.
Okay, cool. It means the same as the one I gave.
Yeah, like a man who can do everything.
Okay, cool. That's
We're
cool.
not specializing on
Right,
things.
right. Somebody who's not specializing in one
Something
thing.
like this. Un homme à tout faire.
Right.
I'm not un homme à tout faire.
Right. Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican expression and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
You're lucky.
You're lucky. You're
Anyway,
lucky.
you guys, Tyler already tell you everything that you're supposed to do, but we're going to go ahead and remind you again. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, turn on the notification bell, that way you won't miss a beat when we upload. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys,
And we'll
we'll see you guys
tomorrow.
tomorrow.